In today's video, we will learn about basic maths. So in basic maths, there are three types: limit, integration, and differentiation. Now we'll see each of them one by one. Now, if we see differentiation. Now, what does differentiation mean? Differentiation means dy by dx. We can also write it as delta x by delta y. That is supposed to be the curve. Now the rate of change of x with respect to y, or with y with respect to x, is in this dy by dx. Y with respect to x. And this is not differentiation. Now, there are different formulas related to differentiation, which is important in physics. That is, d dx x to the power n is nx n minus 1. The first one. Example: d dx of x is equal to 2x 2 minus 1. d dx of x 1 into x 1 minus 0. Sorry, minus 0. 0 minus 1. That is 1. That is 1 minus 1. So 1. Similarly, dx of x to the power 4, dx of 2x cube. This is your homework question. Just solve it and write the answer in the comment section. Next step. Next is dx of ln x. This is 1 by x. This is a formula which you must learn. Next, dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. dx of a to the power x is a to the power x ln a. ddx of the constant term k is 0. Now, there is an important property. Write it as a note. If there is ddx of, suppose kx, it will be k into ddx of x. Basically, the constant term comes out, and then it is different from this one. This is like ddx of, suppose 0. Okay, guys. Next, there are some trigonometric values. That is ddx of sin x is cos x, ddx of cos x is minus sin x, ddx of tan x is sec square x, ddx of cot x is minus cosec square x, and ddx of sec x is sec x tan x. Lastly, ddx of cosec x is minus cosec x. So these 6 are really important for the JEE, especially in case of trigonometric analysis. Next there are some rules like product rules. Product rule means like ddx of function fx into gx if this is written as f dash x dx plus g dash x. Now dash x, g dash x, f dash x means the differentiation of fx and gx expected. That means we need to first take out one of the functions and differentiate the other, and then plus another function and differentiate the other. Like this. For example, ddx of ln x x squared. Suppose. Now what we'll do is we will take out suppose first ln x and differentiate 2x plus x squared into 1 by x. So 2x ln x plus x is the final answer for this. Next, there is another rule which is known as quotient rule. Quotient rule means ddx of fx by gx. It is written as gx whole square gx f dash x minus fx into g dash x is the formula. For example, ddx of 2x by ln x, it will be ln x whole squared into ln x differentiation of 2x is 2 minus 2x into 1 by x. So 2 ln x minus 2 by 2 ln x. This will be ln x minus 1 by ln x. So this is the final answer for this differentiation. So as you can see, this is just simple differentiation. Simple rule, product rule, if there is a product of two functions, and quotient rule if there is a division of two functions. And there is another rule known as chain rule, and this is a very important rule. Like suppose instead of chain rule, suppose if we have to differentiate ddx of sine 2x, okay, or not 2x, let's think sine x. So how we'll do, because we know the differentiation of sine x, but we don't know the differentiation of sine x squared. So what we will do is we will consider this term as some t, okay, or we consider it as a different function. Like suppose here we say fx is sin x, and you can say gx is x squared. So its differentiation is like f dash gx into g dash x. That is f dash gx, that is cos. Now here you see it is basically the x here in this case is your x squared. We can also assume it is different for variable like t, so it is cos x squared. Okay, this will be cos x squared into differentiation of this term 2x. So it will be 2x cos x squared. Okay, so basically the formula is like ddx of f of gx is f dash gx into g dash x. this is very important. Lots and lots of questions come from this formula. Chain rule. You solve many questions from this. Let's take up another example. Suppose dx of ln x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay. So what we'll first do? First we'll do is differentiate the fx term. You'll consider this as one entity. We'll consider it, suppose, as a capital X. Okay. So differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. 1 by capital X is x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then we'll differentiate this x, capital X. That would be 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 by x squared plus 2x plus 3 is the final answer. This is how we solved questions related to chain rule. And this is a very, very important question which often comes in chain regarding involving the trigonometric functions. Y equals to ln x plus root over 1 plus x squared. Now, this is another very, very good question, and it is important for JEE Mains, MidSat, and other competitive exams. Now, again, we do the same process. 1 by. So it is 1 by this term plus differentiation of this term. So x differentiation is 1. And differentiation of this is, again, you see, it is 1 plus, I will show it over here, 1 plus x squared to the power half. Now if we differentiate this part, it is half 1 plus x squared, half minus 1, that is half root over 1 plus x squared. Now you see here I will again use the chain rule. Constant 0 and this is 2x. X by root over 1 plus x squared. Now here I use this chain rule again because you see differentiation of x we know, x squared we know. Okay, 1 plus x squared in some root, that term root over x dx. We know the differentiation for root x, but we don't know the differentiation for 1 plus x squared whole root. That's why we will use the chain rule. Okay guys, so you see here, so the final answer is, so this is the differentiation of root over 1 plus x squared. Okay, so we just need to now substitute the values over here. Here I will just substitute. So this is 1 by x plus root over 1 plus x squared, root over 1 plus x squared plus x by root over 1 plus x squared. This is your answer. Okay, so this is another way of solving your differentiation questions. Now, as a chain rule method. There are different methods, but chain rule is the best and the most widely used method, especially in JEE, MidSat, and other examinations. So guys, this is all about differentiation. If we have a quick recap, we will see that differentiation has some formulas. That this is the power formula, in which there is a power how to solve this, These are 2 your homework questions. Please solve them and write the answer in the comment section. Now, ln x is 1 by x, e to the power x is e to the power x, and there are some other formulas as well that I've shown you today. These are the very basic formulas. We will solve a detailed questions on each of differentiation formulas combinedly together after we complete the integration and limit parts. Then we combine all 3 of them together and solve the questions. That would be really interesting. This is the product rule, very, very important rule. Learn this formula. And quotient rule, chain rule is the extremely important rule. If you know chain rule, you know half of the calculus part in JEE. This is an important question. Now guys, if you have any doubts related to any of these questions or any of these rules, do let me know in the comment section, or you can also drop an email, which email ID is provided in the description below. If you like this video, do like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos on class 11th and 12th JEE syllabus. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.